You have lots and lots of repetitive thoughts. And these repetitive thoughts are often based in negativity, self-criticism, fear, non-trust, all of those aspects that take us into suffering. Do you want to listen to those thoughts or be ruled by those thoughts? No. On the other hand, you have lots of clear thoughts, loving thoughts, important thoughts, like you have to know where you live, who you're married to, which car is yours, where's your bank account. There's a million things you need to know. They are useful thoughts. Okay. So when you sit in consciousness, which is peace and joy, you can choose, because this peace, joy, and unity is the greatness of who you are. You have the choice, because you know humans have a choice, no? To decide which thoughts correspond or serve in the moment. So you can see the thing that's choosing is who you are. The choice is who you are. That love is who you are. You see the difference? That's why you have the capacity to witness the thoughts. That serves, that doesn't serve, that makes me suffer, that doesn't. But it's coming from the capacity to be present in the moment. So when you sit in that space of love, or in your greatness, you are the witness of your human duality. Now, I'm sure that's very clear. Super clear. You are the tree, not the parrots. Gracias.